Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make your battery last a little bit longer. I've actually just made this video, but I hit a button and it ended the thing and didn't even save. You're going to want to go under your settings under your Samsung device and type in power saving. Mine comes up with medium power saving. Now I've had my phone forever, and I reset it about once a year. All your downloads and all that really drag your phone down. If you just reset it once a year, it speeds it back up to brand new. I replaced my batteries in my phones. This is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Active, and it has this setting under here, which is great. Most phones are built too big, and they're built for the gaming aspect of it or for the camera. Mine's built more for the gaming and the ruggedness. I don't need it to be 4K and all that, but under here, see, I clicked maximum power save on my last time I was recording this video, and it actually ended the video, which was fine, but it didn't even save it. Maximum power saving down there at the bottom is for emergencies only, I would say, because it almost makes your phone a flip phone. There's nothing to it. You can use YouTube or Facebook, but it's a different version of it. It's pretty wild. It says it'll add, I got 80% battery at that time. It said it would add 2 days to my phone. I don't quite believe that, but I never leave it under optimized. Optimized is like a normal day. My phone will last about 6 hours, normal use. High performance, I don't even see why you would need that, but I always run mine under medium power save. I leave the background running just like normal. I leave my that middle one right there that isn't checked. That's the clock when your phone isn't on and you do a quick glance at it, or when it's charging, and it'll tell you everything on like a really dim black screen. I leave that on, and I just limit the CPU. I take a ton of photos. I upload a ton off my phone. I wear this thing out, and even with limiting it at 70%, it still kicks butt. And I don't need that extra CPU-ness. I limited the brightness down a little bit, and you can always bring this down like this and adjust the brightness right there. So I really don't need that. And then the screen resolution. Most people don't understand, oh cool, I have a 4K screen. Why do you need a 4K screen on a little screen? It's ridiculous. A lot of people do watch their Netflix and stuff on your phone, but you really don't need 4K, and even Apple is laughing at Samsung saying, why do you need 4K? It just drains your battery. 4K is for bigger monitors. And I put mine on 1080p, and I don't even notice the difference. You can still see everybody's hair on their face and all that. Whatever you want to see, it still looks the same. And I think Samsung will be going away from 4K screens just because Apple's kind of making sense of their crap. But if you look at the top, it says it's going to add 16 hours. It was 17 hours before I was messing around with it. But this is the settings I leave it on. And my phone goes from 6 hours to, I'd say, about 15 hours of use out of one battery. And that's greatly different. Love it. You just click the button. Now that's not how I go in and set it up. Let it do its thing. On my phone, let's leave this. My phone, you can actually drag it from the top, drag it even further, and that little power mode button right there, you can tap that real quick, or you can hold on and it'll take you to the screen we were just on. And if you're in it, you can tap it and it'll take you right out of it. Right out of power mode. The only difference I see, I never see a lag in my phone, nothing. The only thing I see that kind of could affect some people is you can't use Smart View, which is when you branch it to your TV or your smart device, Roku stick or something. It won't let you do that, which is fine because you just tap a button, it goes off. But this really gets the maximum battery out of my phone. Hoping this helps somebody out. Definitely for the older phones that need a battery replacement, but you just don't feel like paying it. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks.